So, honey for skincare, is it really worth the hype? Hey guys, it's Tony Unboxed. Welcome to Pop Go. Today we are going to be talking about honey on the skin, and I'm also going to be showing you how I use raw honey on my skin as a face mask. So before we go into the video, please subscribe and hit the notifications button so you're going to get notified when I post more informative videos like this. And let's go. So honey is actually an ingredient in a lot of skincare products. It contains carbohydrates, amino acids, vitamins, and a lot of characteristics which make it great for skincare. And I'm going to be giving you guys 5 uses or 5 benefits of honey on the skin. Number 1, honey is a skin moisturizer. So we all know, well, not everybody knows, but then honey has humectant properties. That means honey has humectant properties. That means that it can get water from the atmosphere, traps water from the atmosphere, which is why it's great for the hair, because it gets the hair moisturized and then it also gets the skin moisturized. So that is something you guys should use honey for. You can use it as so that's one reason why you should use honey, because of its moisturizing benefits. Another reason is it is a pore cleanser / exfoliator. So honey is a viscous liquid. First of all, it's very thick and then it has like a lot of viscosity. So honey contains some amino acids which remove dead cells from the face without you even having to scrub. Just massage and then it will do the job. So honey contains amino acids which can remove dead cells without you even having to scrub. This reveals fresh skin cells and then brightens the complexion, which removes the dark spots and lightens scars. Honey is also used as a pore cleanser. Another benefit is that it can be used as a pore cleanser or exfoliator. So honey contains amino acids which get rid of dead cells without you even having to scrub. So this means that fresh skin cells are exposed and your skin is brightened. So it evens out your complexion such that it clears off dark spots or scars, lightens the scars so that it can be more even. You know what I'm saying? The next one, it treats sunburn. Honey has natural antiseptic properties and this can help heal damaged skin. So in the event of a sunburn, all you have to do is apply honey to that surface for a while and let it do its magic. Honey also helps fight acne / pimples. I know you guys are like, okay, this is something that affects us, so why are you not talking about acne or pimples? Like, that's our real problem. But don't worry, I got you guys. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties honey helps fight acne and pimples. I know you've been waiting for this one. So honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which help reduce the swelling of pimples, and it kills pimples causing bacteria which prevents pimples and then also prevents the pimples from getting too inflamed if they do come. Now, honey gives the skin a natural glow. It gives the skin a natural glow. So I used the honey face mask before this video, and even though the lighting is not that great, it is so obvious that my skin is glowing. By the way, I'm just going to show you guys how I use honey for my face mask now. One last benefit of honey is that it reduces wrinkles and slows aging. So aging is something everybody's going to face at some point, and it's good that you start getting the info of how you can take care of it when that time comes, because seriously, it will come. So honey gets rid of fine lines and wrinkles, and it also slows down aging by retaining the moisture in your skin. You see, that's where the first purpose comes in hand. Anywho, we are done with this video. If you like the video, make sure to like the video. Okay, if you like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment and tell me what you feel about this whole honey thing. Have you done it before? Has it worked for you? Does it not work for you? Are you allergic to honey? You know, and basically that's all. I love y'all. Thanks so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.